In any new school year, kids come home with new germs, colds, flus, other viruses. But the problem now is those illnesses share some of the same symptoms as COVID-19. So how are parents to know what they're dealing with? When is it time to go see the doctor? Fox 13's Brianna Arredondo joins us now live in Tampa. And Brianna, you spoke with doctors. What do they tell parents who find themselves wondering if they should take their kid for a COVID test?
Well, first thing doctors are urging is prevention with the vaccine and a mask if your child is too young for the shot. And tonight, pediatricians tell us that there are some things parents can watch out for. The common cold, allergies, or the very beginning of a COVID-19 infection.
Even for medical personnel, it's difficult to tell without a test.
So doctors recommend calling your child's pediatrician if they get sick this fall and seeing if they need a COVID test.
Especially in the beginning stages of getting COVID in those first few days, symptoms can very much overlap with a common cold.
A major thing to watch out for is a fever, especially if it's over 100.4. Dr. Allison Messina with Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital explains over video conference.
In young children, sometimes that really is the only symptom. If they're, lucky and get mild disease, if they get sick, it may just look like a cold. So that's why I think it's very important to get that COVID test.
Doctors say you could also watch out for other symptoms.
There's a loss of sense of taste or smell, or if there's a lot of a cough, you're going to start thinking this is more likely to be COVID.
If you don't have a pediatrician to schedule a test, doctors say you can also turn to your local county health department to find a place. University of Florida pediatrician Sonia Rasmussen tells us over video conference COVID is a risk more children face now.
It's something that is important to try to prevent, if at all possible, by wearing a mask, by trying to keep that social distance.
Doctors tell us the vaccine is the best solution to help prevent getting sick or passing it on.
12 and above can get vaccine, but under 12 still can't get the vaccine. So the way to protect them is for all the rest of us to get our vaccine.
And pediatricians tell us that they also recommend that your child gets all of their other shots too, including the flu shot. They say that if your child does get sick and you aren't really sure about their symptoms, doctors say it's best to go ahead and give them a call just to go ahead and rule out COVID. You can find all of the information on where to get a COVID test on our website, fox13news.com. Just look under the coronavirus section.